Hi, please stop scrolling. Did you know your company can be compensated up to $5,000 per device if it gets breached? Yes, you heard that right. Bhrave is the only endpoint protection software that compensates if your endpoints get breached. That's how much confidence we have in our protection. We use a zero-trust approach that assumes everything is a threat until it proves it's safe. And we combine every essential layer of security, antivirus, malware detection, firewall controls, app restrictions, disk encryption, password enforcement, VPN checks, and AI-driven prevention, all working together to block anything untrusted from running on your device. And even if someone on your team switches off a security setting, Bhrave automatically forces it back on. Your defense stays intact, your endpoints stay protected. So not only do we protect your organization, we stand behind that protection with real money. Sign up today and book a demo. You also get 1 month free on unlimited devices when you click the link in this video. Bhrave Protect, your last line of defense.